experiment you can try. You can use a glass bottle or a plastic bottle will work. You need something round or circular. This happens to be a roll of tape. And I use a hex nut, but you want something that will fit inside of the bottle, but also has some flat spots on it. So if you can't find a hex nut, see if you can find something equivalent. So if you set the roll of tape up on top of the bottle, and then set the hex nut on top of the bottle, and try to line up the hex nut with the hole in the bottle. You need to hold onto the bottle with one hand and then pull the tape out, the roll of tape or the circular thing that you have, very quickly. And if they're lined up and you don't pull on the nut at all, that nut or whatever object you have will go right directly into the bottle. Lots of times you won't get this to happen the first time, so try a few times. Have some fun with this. We'll see ya.